so tall, up the tree and jungle wall. Sticky toes and eyes so wide, he plays all day and then will hide. Climb, climb, gecko go, up so high and down so low. Stick and slip then dart away. Gecko loves to climb and play. Through the leaves and on the vines, he zips around the jungle signs. Quick and clever, light as air, he scurries here and zooms up there. Climb, climb, gecko go, up so high and down so low. Stick and slip then dart away. Gecko loves to climb and play. Gecko on the wall, peekaboo behind the bark. He hides so well when it gets dark, but in the sun he shows his glow, with shiny skin and tails that go. When the stars begin to shine, gecko curls on branch or vine, whispers soft goodnight to all, from the gecko on the wall.